daddy's shoes. Well, I am going to have to close these umbrellas because it's about to rain. We are hitting rainy season. Hey! Legacy, cut it, boy. All right, come on. All right. Look at these umbrellas. Are going crazy. So I'm gonna close that one last because that's cold water right there. All right. Let's get this bad boy down. Is it even moving? Oh, there we go. Woo! Come on. Oh, no. Oh, it's going the wrong way. All right. So that one is almost down. Cut it, Legacy. Let's tie this thing. If I can find. No, I have no idea. I don't know if that one has a tie, but let's go to this one. Come on down. Come on down. Woo. We got caught in that one. All right. Now for the cold one. For the cold one. Woo, Jesus. This one's about to be cold. This water is freezing. Hey, woo. Jesus. Woo. Last year we had an umbrella. Ooh, which one is down? No, that's definitely up. Last year we had an umbrella go in the neighbor's yard. I don't feel like this thing is going down. Come on there. There we go. Oh no, it's going back up. There we go. Come on down. I might have left it up too long. There we go. Woo! I don't know why these umbrellas ain't working today. No. Alright, there we go. Woo! My feet are freezing. This one has a tie, but I don't think I can. Let me see if I can not get my stuff wet. Woo, this water is like 60-something degrees. Woo. Let me try it. Hurry up, Chip. Come on. Come on. Woo. I think we're good on that one. Okay. Ooh, my toes are cold. My toes are cold. Oh! Woo. All right.